there are no more speakers on the list, I now give the floor to the representative of Somalia. You have the floor, sir.
Good morning, Mr. President, Your Excellencies, distinguished members of the Council. I first want to welcome the adoption of the resolution to renew the AMISOM mandate. I also want to thank UK as a pen holder in negotiating and drafting this resolution. Thank you for this opportunity to speak to you today. I'm honored to address you on behalf of the Federal Government of Somalia. At the outset, allow me to congratulate you, Mr. President, on assuming the presidency of the Security Council for the month of August. I would also like to take this opportunity to commend the permanent representative of China for his leadership in guiding the work of the Council for the month of July. Mr. President, as the Council has renewed the mandate of AMISOM today, I would like to express my gratitude to AMISOM troop contributing countries for their enormous contribution during the last 10 years in Somalia. Their deployment has created a space for political progress, for humanitarian relief efforts, and for Somalia's political and state institutions to grow. There is no doubt without their support and sacrifices, we would have not accomplished what we did in such a short period of time. But we are now entering a new phase of transition. President Mohamed Farmajo is committed to Somali security forces, assuming responsibility for the security in due course and gradually taking over tasks imposed from AMISOM. He sets out a clear vision for security based on mutual accountability, hand in hand with its partners at the London Somali Conference in May of this year. Partnership will be key to a successful transition. Somalia will need a continued partnership with the troop and police contributing countries of AMISOM. But we will also need the partnership and the support of the donors to help us implement the Somali national security architecture in order to build a professional and inclusive security sector capable of providing security for Somalia to go about their everyday lives free from the threat of Al-Shabaab while providing the country with secure borders and coastlines. Even though AMISOM continuous presence will be necessary to ensure that the progress and gains of the last 10 years are not reversed, the agreed transition from AMISOM to Somali security forces should be condition-based, with clear target dates linked to the security sector reform milestones outlined in Somali National Security Architecture, which was endorsed by the National Security Council on May 8, 2017. It's critical that the transition is done in a cautious manner with sustained, predictable funding to AMISOM, since too early withdrawal based on artificial and unrealistic deadline might jeopardize the security gains achieved by AMISOM and Somali security forces and may send the wrong signal to our enemy Al-Shabaab. Mr. President, the federal government of Somalia's leadership is committed to put in place the following principles. 1. The implementation of effective coordination and cooperation of the military, police, intelligence agencies, and civil administrations. 2. The development of integrated intelligence network. 3. The use of small and specially trained forces for the precision strikes. 4. A continuation of the development of counterinsurgency. In conclusion, Mr. President, I would like to thank the Security Council for unwavering support to Somalia's progress. The vision of the Somali government is to have Somalia that has fully recovered from being a failed state and reached a lasting peace. To ensure the realization of such vision, we are working assiduously to provide security and justice while preserving human rights, rule of law, and good governance. We look forward to the new chapter of transition in the lead up to hold free and fair election system that's based on one person, one vote in 2021. Thank you again.